Hi everyone, check out this recent backyard DIY. This is my new fieldstone fire pit and I love it. I created large, irregular, natural looking stones for a fraction of the cost of real ones. Of course, the hardest part was finding the molds in the size, shape, and height that I wanted, but my solution was simple and very inexpensive. Keep watching and see what I did. And here are my finished stones up close. I could not be happier with how these turned out. If you plan to try this project, I do recommend a practice stone smaller somewhere in your yard where you can work with the consistencies and colorings of your choice. Overall, I spent 2 afternoons by myself working on this and then recruited some mixing help on the 3rd day, and we spent most of that day working on this project. We spent about $200 to $250, and that will vary based on your local prices and supplies you may already have. Anyway, this project turned out amazing, and I hope it inspires you to try this in your backyard.